take the money back to the LZ. All three are going to have to be there. And you guys get all three there. You should then be extracting unmoney vehicles after the all your guys on there, right? Right, guys. The meeting is going to be all floors are going to be open. Right? Refund and medics are going to be available. If there are any questions, comments, and or concerns. Awesome, I'd love to see that.
Where are the rabbits?
You guys go to the meeting, for your retreat. After your retreat, you will then be able to have back and LZ. And defender, where is your refund? Perfect. Right, right, right arm man before you enter your business.
Right, this, yeah, I was holding handle, but I need to hear. Hey, where's the Packers on?
One second.
Can you hold AK, please?
Yeah? I think it's 30. Nice.
Not my AK. Compliment me.
Yeah, it's still solid.
It is AK.
Yeah.
Thank you. And I'll help you with yours.
Thank you.
Alright, you want this order?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I shoot lefty, so I'd rather have it on the arm that's peeking the corner.
I'm a natural lefty.
I am right-handed, but left eye dominant. So I'm stuck shooting lefty.
Oh, double team.
A big blessing. Alright, good luck, man. I love the tiger stripe.
Thank you. Yeah, the chest rig's new. So figured I'd rock it.
Oh my goodness, I now look like a terrorist.
Hell yeah.
That was the goal.
Hell yeah.
That's the goal. I'm attacking a structure. Well.
Alright, let's see. IRA, Middle Eastern.
Middle Eastern. Hold on.
Okay. The flannel was giving IRA vibes.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Do I look more like an IRA member?
The balaclava and the flannel definitely gives that.
Well, I guess I'm an IRA member. I don't use AKs, but I'm using AKs because I am part Irish.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm part Irish, and my name starts with Ira.
There you go.
Riz, we found out what member I am. I'm an IRA member.
What the heck is he at the south?
I'm from the Middle East.
I don't care, bro.
He's one of those IRA foreign volunteers.
Exactly.
There you are.
I didn't think
Staying
I was
warm?
okay.
What's that?
Staying warm?
Barely.
Barely? Yeah.
Because they expect
Oh no,
the paddle.
his gun's bent.
Oh, is it?
Right, it's bent. Look on the side.
More accurate AK.
Oh, I hope it doesn't
It's
break
bent
right
in
in.
half. Inshallah, we hit the enemy.
Oh yeah, there you go. Get that C grip on there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put the stock back and just
Just a hyper C grip.
hyper.
Nothing can go wrong with this
Nothing
plan.
can go wrong with that.
Judging by the feedback that I heard, I think it's working.
Well, seeing as they were standing
Yeah.
right next to each other.
Alright, this is a cash grab. Your goal is to control Escher for 15 uncontested minutes. That means no blues inside your building. After 15 minutes, you can grab the cash and move to LZ. Semi only, full field, all floors are open. Medics, raise your hand. Station, you respawn as well.
Yeah, I can do it.
see the top of the building. Probably going to go to the right.
You have a bunch of savages behind you. They're not going to leave.
All right. I'm glad. Come on.
Alright, entrance right here. Hey guys, contact is the other way. Contact right.
Contact right as well. We need to get out of here. Get into a building.
Get your thing.
Go.
Come here.
Clear. We're clear. All right, just hold here, defend. The wood building is the objective. We can't let them in there. Find a spot, hold it down. I'm going second floor up here. All right. Go. They're in the woods. Yeah. They're all over the woods. Yeah. Woo. Lots of ricochets. Yep. Sorry! No, you're blue, die! The guy waved like it was friendly fire and I saw a blue armband. Like, no. So many ricochets right now, dude. They're shooting at you coming off the wall and hitting me. Like, I know they're not actually shooting me, but I've gotten hit 6 times. That was on me. That got me. Woo! If that was a ricochet, he's overpowered. That thing almost drew blood. Medic! Yo, IRA. Alright, I'm alive now. I can give you more info. Yeah, so we have friendlies across the pond. I don't know why. There's no... I don't know.
They're pulling off the flank. We're putting pressure up fourth. They don't expect it from there.
Okay. The enemy is all in these woods right here.
Yeah, right here.
Because obviously that's where their spawn is.
Right.
We have this front line of buildings.
So you can push up.
Yeah. This line here we have. Now I don't know about the right side. I didn't look at the right. So the LZ people might have started coming this way. But we have the front phase line of town.
Good. I see you now. I see you.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
Just run up there and punch him with it. You'll be fine.
Yeah, no, I fell in the dirt in the right log.
Oh.
My hater fell. Excuse me, gentlemen. I think my hater's out.
I tried firing, but
Yeah.
the barrel was clogged with BBs and mud.
Yeah. They usually come... Oh yeah, that's a lot of BBs. They usually come with a clearing rod. Or a cleaning rod. You just pop the upper off and run it down the barrel.
Alright, yeah. I ain't got one of those because it's a rental.
Hold that. Oh yeah. Well, take that to them. They'll fix it for you then.
Alrighty.
I just pull your dead rag and start walking.
Alrighty.
I mean, dead rag optional, but you're gonna get shot without it. Yeah. Hey, we hold all the way up to the front north side of town. At least last time I checked. Never mind. Contact left. Hey, watch this side. Here, you come to me, we'll push together. Oh, they're running into town. Okay. See that guy?
Is that guy dead? Oh, he's the guy in that
No,
box.
he's not. You're getting shot at?
Yep, I see that.
Hold on, let me get it.
Are you a medic?
No.
Oh.
I might have got him.
There's one in that corner stuff. He's gonna
Okay.
How is that guy not hit?
I don't know. Oh, get back, they figured it out. The wind was messing them up earlier, but they figured it out.
There's one right there. Right there.
You have to aim to their left because of the wind.
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, they're not going to come this way at least, I don't think.
Unless they're real.
Hey, we got contact down this line of connexes. 2 or 3 connexes distant.
I thought I saw a shadow moving. I
Nope.
think base high cap so much.
Agreed. That's why I run mid caps. Up.
Oh, I think I got that guy. Oh, behind, I got it! Okay, one of them is down.
So he hit you. He hit you. Medic!
Medic!
No, I would just walk. Wave your dead drag behind you or they're going to shoot you in the back. Just hold it on your head as you walk. Yellow on the pond, they're pushing you! Yellow inside, yellow inside. Hey, yellow, yellow. Yellow. Come here. Let's make a push. So, actually, so you can see them in the woods to the left. They're shooting at me. So they're in the woods to the left.
Right here?
Hold on. We might have the objective. There's a bunch of guys running.
Guys, right there,
Hey, we might have the objective. Let's go this way. Let's leave them. Hey, do we have the objective? Oh, I know. Yeah, fair. All right, let's go. Go. Back. That's back. That's exfil.
Oh, we got expo.
Yeah, LZ is exfil. It's that way. That's our respawn. That's exfil. No, those are all respawns. All right. Go exfil this. Exfil is this way. Shooters by the bus. You're last man. Move. You 3 on the Connex. You're the last ones. Run. You 3 the last ones.
Wait, what's happening?
Shooter across the water. Move. All right, pull back. Bus, pull back. Pull back. You're good. Pull. Hey, y'all, pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Hey, kids, pull back. You two, pull back. You're the forward two. Pull.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you guys on the trail, move it over!
Y'all cross! Hey, y'all, you gotta cross! Excuse me. Yellow on the trail, pull back! Yellow on the trail, pull back!
Hey, blue behind the bus! Blue behind the bus! Contact down! Guys, this lane is in range. We got effective incoming coming right down here. You guys just gonna hold foot and go.
All right. Hey, we're holding for 10 minutes. So y'all find a good lane of fire. Just keep them back.
Get low. Get
Good
low
to see
and don't
you.
get hit.
Good to see you.
Hey, you too. Nice one. I hard pointed that left
Dude.
side. I was asking.
Yeah.
Like, nobody was
No.
covering that.
So I got shot, but I came back and was just holding our spawn again.
Hey, Dominic, watch that left side. There's still bullets coming from your left. You got to find a better spot.
Hey, I'm also Dominic.
Oh, here. Oh, my.
No, oh, really? Hey, heck yeah.
He's my son.
Shooters right side.
Give me cover.
Crossing. Stay low. They're very angry.
We smoked their money, man. They need it for their heroin.
Hey, they're flanking us to the right. Get your guns up over here.
Watch your left as well. Watch your left as well.
Hey, watch push. Watch push.
Watch your left as well. That guy on the bus is shooting.
Reload.
Incoming. Crossing.
Guys, it's Battlefield 6. Hold the point. Don't let it turn a firefight.
I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. Get ready to move. Up. Let's go. Medic on this guy.
Enemy machine gun.
Medic. Anybody?
Magazine.
So really no medic over here?
Hey, drag him back. We got medics in the back.
Oh, I thought y'all had a medic up here.
We have medics down there. They're behind. Wait, who needs a medic?
This guy. Hey, there's. I knew y'all had a medic up
Back
here.
to James, dude. Unless you're a medic. Are those yellow? We still have friendlies
No.
in the town. Falling out of the way. We still have friendlies in the town.
Did we? I thought we pulled everyone.
Yeah, I thought we pulled out.
Front of the bus. Low on the front of the bus.
Yellow medic? Let's get this wounded guy out of contact. Who's wounded?
In the connex. In the connex.
moving up. They're real close.
Yeah, I'm aware. All right, that's wild. Hit!
Good back, go.
Medic! They're on the concrete right here. Hey, they're on the concrete close.
Hey guys, don't be afraid to die.
Move. Hey, on the connex, on the connex. Hey, get your gun up, I'm trust. They're right there. Don't peek, just cover. I have a grenade. All right. Grenade? Really? No call for the grenade? I'm already dead. All right. Yeah. Yeah, no, these ones. If it's within 10 feet, yeah. 10 feet is a kill.
I'm already dead though.
Yeah. Sorry if I overshot y'all. Sorry for overshooting you.
Somebody in there?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, we got a lot of people.
Oh, let's fucking go.
I'm getting lit up. Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, I'm like, I get the feeling nobody's grabbing me. Hey, good shooting. You got at least 5 people.